Amazon's algorithm is exploding with these 17 woodworking tools right now, and professionals are quietly buying them in bulk. Number 5 has a 3-week waitlist, and after you see what it does, you'll understand why. I've tested every single one, and today I'm revealing which tools are worth your money and which viral products actually deliver on their promises. Let's dive in. RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. Starting strong with the RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. This dual-sided beast features 17 TPI teeth for hardwood crosscuts and 14 TPI for softwood ripping. The SK5 high-carbon steel blade stays sharp forever, and the 3-edge tooth design clears sawdust instantly for clean cuts. Professionals love how it handles both cross-grain and long-grain cuts effortlessly. At under $30, it outperforms saws triple the price. Curved Mortise Template. Next up is the game-changing curved Mortise template for hidden cabinet handles. This aluminum alloy jig lets you cut perfect recessed pulls in cabinet doors without measuring. The V-groove channel aligns perfectly for round handles and concealed hinges. Adjustable clamping mechanism fits various door thicknesses. If you're building kitchen cabinets or custom furniture, this template saves hours of layout work and guarantees professional results every time. REXBETI Dual Scraper Blade Set. The REXBETI Scraper Set is a workshop essential. You get the heavy-duty handles plus 80 replacement blades. 30 metal for tough surfaces and 50 plastic for delicate work like glass. The 3-position quick lock system makes blade changes instant and secure. Perfect for removing stickers, paint, adhesive, and grime from countertops, windows, car glass, and furniture. This kit has saved me countless hours on cleanup jobs, and it's built to last through years of heavy use. Saker Foldable Box Level. Here's where it gets interesting. The Saker 28-inch foldable level collapses into a compact block for easy storage. 4 acrylic vial bubbles measure 45, 90, and 180 degrees with half-millimeter accuracy. The anodized aluminum body with ABS joints and TPR end caps resists drops and scratches. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing stairs, or leveling pipes, this folds small enough for your tool bag but extends the full length when needed. Portability meets precision perfectly. REEKON M1 Digital Cutting Measurement Tool. Now for the viral sensation. The REEKON M1 Digital Cutting Tool. This clamps onto any table saw fence and displays exact measurements on a backlit LCD screen in both inches and millimeters. It automatically compensates for blade thickness and eliminates tape measure errors. Works with any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Professionals report cutting speed increases by 200 to 300% while boosting safety, since you're not reaching across the blade. This is tool number 7 everyone's talking about. High-speed steel wood carving bit set. The HSS wood carving bit set includes 5 sizes from 3 to 8 millimeters. High-speed steel construction means these stay sharp through hundreds of projects. The triangular tip centers instantly and sharp flutes clear chips fast for smooth carving. Perfect for detailed engraving, decorative work, and precision drilling in hardwood. The 1/8-inch shank fits most rotary tools. Whether you're a hobbyist creating ornamental pieces or a pro doing custom work, these bits deliver clean results. Schwer ProGuard A9 cut-resistant gloves. Safety first with Schwer ProGuard A9 gloves. The highest ANSI cut resistance rating available. Sandy nitrile coating provides incredible grip and abrasion resistance with reinforced thumb construction. The 13-gauge nit breathes beautifully for all-day comfort without hand fatigue. Touchscreen compatible fingertips let you use your phone without removing gloves. Perfect for glass handling, metal fabrication, lumber cutting, and garden work. These gloves have literally saved fingers in my workshop. Worth every penny. WYN 6530 electric hand planer. The WYN 6530 electric planer packs serious power in just 6 pounds. 6-amp motor delivers 34,000 cuts per minute across a 3 1/4 inch width. 16 depth settings from 0 to 1/8 inch give you surgical control. Includes adjustable fence for rabbet cuts up to 5/16 inch deep. Dust bag, kickstand, and parallel fence brackets come standard with a 2-year warranty. Smoothing doors, leveling beams, and flattening boards becomes effortless. This replaces hand planes for most jobs. BGASNW 3/4 inch 19mm bench dog clamp. The BGASNW bench dog revolutionizes work holding. This 3/4 inch clamp installs an MFT table holes with one-handed operation and no assembly required. Massive clamping force holds work securely, while silicone pads protect wood surfaces from marks. Bright red color makes it visible during router and saw operations. Aluminum alloy construction ensures durability through thousands of clamping cycles. Perfect for joinery, welding, framing, and furniture assembly where you need rock-solid holding power fast. BAO PushPRO Mini PP to EVA Foam Push Stick. The BAO PushPRO Mini features high-density EVA foam tip that conforms to wood, reducing vibration and giving superior feed control versus plastic push sticks. The tip reverses or replaces when worn and won't damage carbide saw blades. EVA doesn't scratch soft or hard wood even under pressure. Most importantly, if it contacts the spinning blade, EVA crushes instead of shattering like plastic, eliminating dangerous kickback risks. Modular ergonomic handle adjusts to your preference. This is safety innovation done right. BAO FeatherPRO FP1 EVA Featherboard. The FeatherPRO FP1 uses flexible EVA foam feathers instead of rigid plastic. These provide 5 times more kickback resistance while holding stock firmly against fence and table. The wide surface creates maximum contact, reducing vibration and improving cut quality. EVA leaves 0 marks on soft wood and won't trigger saw stop systems if it contacts the blade. Features AnchorPro quick mount hardware for 3/4-inch T-tracks and MFT corners. Reversible and replaceable feathers extend service life dramatically. Milescraft 1620 to Sandit multi-surface sanding block. The Milescraft Sandit offers for profile surfaces in 1 block: flat, concave, convex, and narrow edge. Standard quarter sheet sandpaper attaches with quick clip fasteners for instant grit changes. Includes 150 grit paper to start. 3 small radius edges handle detail work. Large radius edge tackles curves. Concave surface smooths round objects and narrow edge reaches tight corners. Perfect for spindles, moldings, and irregular shapes. Compact size works in confined spaces where larger sanders can't reach. WYQYQ 90-degree corner clamps. These aluminum alloy corner clamps hold 90-degree joints with jaws opening to 70 mm. Rotating screw and adjustable jaw mechanism accommodate different material thicknesses, while maintaining perfect right angles. EVA-coated handles provide comfortable grip. Ideal for picture frames, cabinet assembly, welding projects, and furniture construction. The 4-clamp set lets you secure multiple corners simultaneously for square gluing operations. These eliminate the frustration of trying to hold corners square while fastening, making assembly work dramatically easier. Milescraft TriGrips, triangle work supports. TriGrips are rubber surface triangular supports that hold projects without clamps. They elevate workpieces 1 3/16 inches, exposing all edges for complete access. Built-in painter's points lift another 3 inches for painting with minimal contact. To prevent finish damage, internal ballast beads keep them stable in any position, preventing tip over. 4 grips provide secure support for projects of any size during finishing, drilling, or carving. The non-slip base prevents shifting during layout and marking operations. Briteree Beast Wax Canvas Work Apron. The Briteree 20-ounce wax canvas apron combines durability with functionality. Double-stitched riveted seams withstand years of heavy use. 9 pockets include chest pocket for phone and pencils, side pockets for tools, hammer loop, and magnetic holder for screws and small metal parts. Adjustable padded shoulder straps distribute weight evenly, eliminating neck fatigue. Cross-back design with quick-release buckles provides custom fit. Measures 27 by 33 inches for full coverage. Comes gift boxed, making it perfect for woodworkers and craftsmen. Kreg KM-M1000 Magnetic Stud Finder. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder uses dual powerful magnets to locate screws and nails behind drywall or metal panels, revealing hidden studs and framing. No batteries required, just slide it across the wall until magnets lock onto fasteners. Built-in level vial and alignment marks ensure accurate positioning. Hands-free operation lets you mark locations while the tool stays attached to the wall. Compact plastic body fits in your pocket. Essential for hanging cabinets, installing shelves, and locating framing before drilling or cutting into walls. Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Angle Finder and Level. Finally, the Klein Tools Digital Angle Finder measures angles from 0 to 90 and 0 to 180 degrees, with 0.1 degree accuracy. Strong magnetic base attaches to conduit, pipes, and saw blades for stable readings. V-groove edge aligns perfectly on round profiles and pipes. Large reverse contrast LCD display shows measurements clearly from any angle. Operates onto AAA batteries, weighs just 99 grams, and features drop protection. Perfect for setting saw angles, aligning installations, and checking pipe slopes with professional precision every time.